Hello everyone and welcome back to Urbanism Spinning. My name is Architect Moksha Bhatia and I create videos about architecture, travel, interior design and urbanism. Today we will be talking about top 5 highest paying countries for architects. This video is for you if you are a professional seeking to work overseas or even an aspiring architect. As an art form that shapes our physical world around us, architecture is more than just a job. Let's face it, though we all want to know where our abilities are most financially valued. Let's check out the top nations with the highest salary for architects. On number 1, we have Switzerland. Switzerland is one of the best places for architects to work and is home to many noteworthy architecture specimens. It is well known for its innovative architecture and breathtaking scenery, offers profitable opportunities for architects. Switzerland is renowned for its high quality and accurate designs. Here, architects make between $90,000 and $100,000 a year. Architecture employment is plentiful in Zurich and Geneva, but you must be fluent in German or French to succeed here. To work as an architect in Switzerland, you need an architecture degree and at least 2 years of professional experience. I have attached the link of top 5 architecture firms in Switzerland. Do check out the caption. Number 2 on our list is Luxembourg. The top paying nation for architects and a popular destination for those interested in architecture is Luxembourg. This little country in Europe has a thriving architecture scene and a good level of living. Ancient castles and contemporary wonders can be found in Luxembourg's varied geography and rich architecture history. Luxembourg's architects prioritize custom design, quality of living, and sustainable building. In Luxembourg, the average monthly income for an architect is €3,600 with a median of €3,750 as of June 2024. This includes an estimated of €150 in extra compensation per month, which could come in the form of profit sharing, commission, cash bonuses, or tips. Number 3 on the list is United States. The United States is still a hotbed of architecture creativity because of its varied architecture projects and vibrant cities. In the US, architects are paid well, however, the exact salary depends on a variety of factors such as a degree, a license, work experience, employment position, company industry, and region. The American Institute of Architects reports that 27% of architects worked entirely from home, while 59% worked in a hybrid remote mode. Number 4 on the list is Denmark. Denmark is recognized for its architecture, which blends innovative style with useful functionality. Its design-centric sector and emphasis on sustainable architecture make it an excellent option for architects seeking employment overseas. A lot of sustainable projects are being built in Copenhagen. In 2023, Copenhagen was named the World Capital of Architecture by UNESCO and the Union of International Architects. Number 5 on the list is Ireland. The economy and the volume of residential and non-residential construction determine the demand for architects in Ireland. Through 2024, the industry is anticipated to expand at a compound yearly growth rate of 0.9%. The median total pay for a graduate architect in Ireland is estimated to be €32,250 per year. Not just in Dublin, but throughout the Ireland, there is a shortage of qualified architects and architectural technologists, so you should definitely try to work there. Now, even though these figures are alluring, before moving, keep in mind the cost of living, the culture of the workspace, and the necessary visas. While some of these nations may require extra qualification, others may have excessive taxes. That's all for today. For more architecture information, don't forget to subscribe to Urbanism Spinning, like this video, and share it with your architect friends. Until next time, keep building your dreams. Thank you.